Jai Shri Ram. In the Ramcharitmanas, the incident where Angad planted his foot in Ravana's court and challenged all the Rakshasas, if anyone can just move my foot, Rama will go back, leaving Sita behind. So if you chaps think that you can defeat Rama, forget it. Try moving my foot first. Of course, Rama did not give Angad such a permission. So this is a very interesting incident, isn't it? And Tulsidas exclaims that Angad took such a formidable vow in Ravana's court. And actually Ravana is a guy who lifted Kailasam, Mount Kailas. And Angad ventured to give such a foolhardy challenge. But nobody could move his foot. So what should we think of this? Isn't it, or is it the proof of the Lord's greatness? Or Tulsi wonders, or is it the faith, Shraddha of Ramdas, that is Rama's servant? Is it the Shraddha of Rama's servant, or is it the power of Rama that prevented the Rakshasas from even shaking Angad's foot? So Tulsidas says, Tehi samaj kiyo kathin, pan jehi tolyo kailas. तुलसी प्रभु महिमा कहो, तुलसी प्रभु महिमा कहो, सेवक को विश्वास. And this is a Dohavali, from the Dohavali. And in the Ramcharitmanas, the verse Tulsi exclaims that actually Shiva is telling Uma Parvati that this whole world comes into existence by a mere wish of Rama. Ichha matra prabho srushti. And Rama is capable of transforming a blade of grass into a thunderbolt, and a thunderbolt into a blade of grass. You know that incident where Jayanta, son of Indra, became a crow and pecked at Sitaji. So Rama took up a piece of blade and threw it at him, this blade of grass. It became a Brahmastra. So Tulsidas says, how then can Rama's envoy fail in a challenge? Amazing. उमा राम की भ्रुकुटी बिलासा होय विश्व पुनि पावै नासा तृणते कुलिस कुलिस तृण करई तासु दूतपन कहु की मिटरई. Isn't it wonderful? So हे उमा, जिस रामचंद्र जी के भ्रू विलास इच्छा मात्र से संसार उत्पन्न होता है और फिर नाश भी हो जाता है, जो तिनके को वज्र और वज्र को तिनका बना देते हैं, उनके दूत का प्रण कहो तो भला